Do you have trouble reading the small lines on your ruler? Or are you tired of using feeler gauges when setting up the action on your guitar? If so, then I have a solution. It's the string height gauge from LMI. This little tool allows me to learn the exact height of the string above the fret when determining my action. Here's how it works. The brass part of the tool, which is slotted, is to be placed over the string and over the fret. You can then lower the plunger until it just touches the top of the string. At that point, zero out your dial indicator and then push the plunger down. This will allow you to determine the exact height of the string above the fret. On this particular guitar, at the 12th fret on the bass string, the 6th string, I'm coming in at about 90 thousandths. And that's about where I like to keep the bass string on my steel string guitars, somewhere between 60 and 94 thousandths, or between 4 and 6 64ths. On the first string side, after placing the tool on the string, zeroing out the dial indicator, and then pressing down the plunger, I'm coming in at about 60 thousandths. And that's where I like to keep the first string side on my guitars, is somewhere between 47 and 79 thousandths, or between 3 and 5 64ths. This tool allows me to quickly and accurately figure out exactly what the action is. I even use this tool to dial in the action at the first fret on my guitars. On this particular guitar, the 6th string, I like to keep it a 64th off the fret, which is about 16 thousandths. And on the first string side, I like to keep it a skosh above the fret. So anything below 16 thousandths is good. The lower the better. So rather than guessing at the action on your guitar, use the LMI string height gauge and get a correct measurement every time. If you find you need to make an adjustment to the saddle height, then another good tool to have from LMI is this, which has pre-cut slots at the depths of 1/32, 1/16, 3/32, and 1/8. So you can quickly mark on the saddle what you need to adjust. For example, if I need to adjust 1/32, I know exactly where I need to take that to now. So I take it to my sander or sandpaper, sand down to the line, and I've adjusted exactly 1/32. If I need 1/16, same thing. This is a much quicker and more precise method than trying to measure up on each side of the saddle, 1/32, 1/32, and then connect the lines. Just drop it into the jig and mark.